Welcome back, my friends, and happy holiday season. We will not waste any time with the job leads today. If you are celebrating over the next 4, 5, 6 days, over the next week of all the holiday activities, I hope that you truly enjoy your time with your friends and family. Today's job lead is from the company Splash. They are hiring an enterprise support specialist. Now, this is more of a second shift. They are hiring someone to work Sunday through Thursday, 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. They are, however, hiring anywhere within the United States. So if you're like in the Eastern time zone, that would be a little bit earlier shift for you. So just make sure that you convert your time zone to these hours to see if that will work for you. But if it does, that they are paying very, very well. Now, they are looking for someone to provide enterprise level support for their Splash platform and integrations by managing cases start to finish. You'll coordinate resolution plans directly with their product, engineering, and customer service teams. You'll have to diagnose and communicate technical issues into marketing-friendly language. You'll use creative problem-solving and analytical skills to craft solutions to customer use cases. So this is more of like a technical type support role. So for that reason, they are looking for someone who has 2 years or more experience in some kind of a technical support industry. If you have experience with case management systems, ticketing systems like Zendesk or Salesforce, that is a plus. They need you to know how to use Google Docs or Microsoft Office, Excel, those types of things. You do get bonus points if you have some kind of technical experience with web design such as HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, but that is not required. Also, no degree is needed. Now, they do offer great pay and great benefits. The pay for this position is anywhere from $58,500 a year all the way up to $68,500 a year. And on top of that, they do provide you a brand new MacBook to get you started and working. And they also, on top of that, provide a monthly stipend for you for your work from home expenses. You can take that monthly stipend and buy office supplies with it. You can use it to pay your internet bill, whatever you need for your home office. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.